Welcome back to Chemistry 1100. In this unit of solutions, we're going to start off with some vocabulary. Here's an entire list. I'm going to pause for a moment so you can write them down if you wish. Some other things of note. What does the prefix homo mean? Well, in this case, it means the same, and its antonym, hetero, means different. Some other things to make note of is a mixture is made up of two parts, and it is able to be physically separated. When we look at the factors that affect the dissolving or reacting rate, we want to focus on how they are related to kinetic molecular theory. In other words, how does the rates of collision, the interaction between the solvent and the solute, affect the rate at which something reacts or dissolves? Temperature has one of the largest effects. Concentration can be tough to test, especially at home with a sugar lab, but I'll be recording a video that deals with acids and metals. One thing we're not going to test that can affect the rate at which something reacts is pressure. That falls under Henry's law, but that goes beyond the scope of this course. Other things like increasing the surface area and agitation. All of these are factors that you should consider when writing up your lab and expecting people to do conclusion questions, post-lab questions, pre-lab questions, or explanations in terms of a hypothesis. Here are some other vocabulary terms. I will pause a moment for that. Look for the short video demonstrating supersaturated solutions. We will look at sodium acetate, which you may find in hand warmers, miscible, immiscible, things like the polar or non-polarity of a molecule, which relates to IMF. Remember, IMF stands for intermolecular forces. All of these things affect how well something will dissolve or if it will dissolve at all. That's the introductory lecture for solutions. Email me if you have any questions.